Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Vaira Citadel, and in this channel we have been publishing videos on UGC-NET paper 1, and under that the topic, fifth topic, that is mathematical reasoning and aptitude. In the last two videos we saw how to solve coding problems under verbal and numerical arithmetic reasoning problems, and we were discussing about various types of codes and how to decode them and how to solve those problems. And today in this video we will discuss about number coding and how to solve the problems. And in these types of coding problem, the codes are given in the form of numbers instead of alphabets. So these alphabets coding we were discussing in the last two videos. And today we will discuss about problems in which the coding method is using numbers. As in the case of the letters, here also you have to find out the coding pattern or the rule and then apply the same pattern or the rule to the given problem. In this video, we are going to see four types of number coding. The first type is a direct type. What is direct? Here you don't have to draw the number table. Remember, we saw and we drew number tables for the alphabets A, B, C, D, giving 1 to A and number 26 to Z. A1, B2. This is called direct order number, direct order position. And also we gave numbers for the reverse order position. For example, for the letter alphabet Z, we gave number 1, and for A we gave 26. And by adding the direct order number and reverse order number, you should get the total of 27. Remember the rule? And so for this type, first type, which is the direct type of coding, you need not draw that table for the alphabets. Directly the code is given. So we will see this. See, look at the illustration, the first illustration for the type 1. In a coding language, the word dream is written as 54378. The word dream is coded as 54378. And green, one more word is given, a code is given. The word green is written as 24331. How will the word drag be written? That is the question. So write dream, D-R-E-A-M. And what is the code given? 54378. Beneath the box, the row below, write 54378. And also write for the one more example, green. So two codes are given. For you to find out the pattern, they have given the code for two words. And for green, G-R-E-E-N is written as 24331. Copy it. Now see the common letters here. D is not common. R is common. So R is found in both the words. And the code for R in both the words are 4. Okay. And the same way E is common. The code word for E, the code number for E is 3. Here also 3 and here also 3. And again E here 3. And A is not common and M is not common. So we see here the table is not used, but some number, some kind of coding is used where the letter E is coded as 3 and R is coded as 4. It is repeated. So write the word D-R-A-G and see wherever the letters occurs. D. The code for D is 5. So immediately copy this. In both the samples, you can take the alphabet from both the samples. Look at both the samples. And D is written as 5 and R is written as 4 in both. So R is written as 4 and A is written as 7 and A is 7. And for G, where is G? Here. For G, the code word is 2. So write 2 under G. So the answer is 5472. The word green, The word drag is written as 5472. So you have to find out the code numbers from the two examples given. That's all. You're not drawing here the box, big box from A to Z or numbering it. So this is why it is called direct coding without drawing using the table. Now we will see type 2, which is the direct order position. Look at the illustration. If in a certain coding language, the word divide is written as 4922945, then how will the word multiply be written? This is the question. So here only one word code is given as a sample. So that means it's not direct. You have to draw the table. So draw the alphabet, write the alphabet A to Z and give the number. This is the number given above 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 26 is the direct order position number. And what is given below is the reverse order position. Z will take the number 1 and A will take 26. So and remember the clue, if you add the direct order number and the reverse order number, it should give you 27. So this you make this table and see how is it coded. The word divide is written as 4922. See any correspondence? See the word letter D is 4. Yes, 4. And for I it is 9. So 4. Now you got the pattern. And B is 22. So all the direct position numbers are given in a sequence. So that is the pattern. You got it? We got the pattern. Now we are going to write it for the word multiply. See, divide. So here we have written what is given above is the direct order position numbers and what is given below is the reverse order position. Now we found out the pattern which is the direct position. So the coding is done by using the direct order position. So also for the word multiply, you just write the word, spell it, multiply and write, look at the table and write the direct order position numbers. This is the number and copy it in sequence. 13, 21, 12, 20, 9, 16 and 12, 25. So this is the answer for your. So how will the word multiply be coded? It will be coded as 13211222091612225. So direct order position. But here we do not know whether it is, that is why we are writing it for the word both the reverse order and the direct order, and we see the question it is given as 49. So it is direct order position. So apply the same rule to the word multiply also. See now type 3 and it is reverse order position. We are going to use the position number in the reverse order. So look at the question. If in a certain code language the word divide is written as 109, then how will the word multiply be written? So I'm using the same words, divide, multiply, because easier for me to cut and copy. So only look at the pattern, okay? Don't look at the words, look at the pattern. And so draw the table, because here the code for only one sample is given. If only two samples are given, then you can straight away, it is direct coding. You can look at the common letters and code for it. But here only one sample is given, so you have to draw the table, number table. So write A to Z and put the direct order and the reverse order number. See here, in this the code for divide is given as 109. So you should see how this number has come, 109. So try to add all the numbers of the direct order position. Add 4 plus 9 plus 22 plus 9 plus 4 plus 5. That will give you only 53. So this is not the coding pattern. So then Here it is the reverse order position. Add these all the numbers, 23 plus 18 plus 5 plus 18 plus 23, it will give you 109. So what is given in the question? The code word for divide is 109. So how did they get it? By adding all the reverse order position of all the letters. So apply the same pattern to the word multiply. You write the word, spell it, multiply, and copy only the reverse order numbers. 14, 6, L, 7 for T and 18 for I, 11 for P and 15 for L and 2 for Y. Then add all these numbers. 14 plus 16, 15, getting 88. So the answer is 88. Here for coding, what pattern they have used? They have used the reverse order position numbers, but they are not simply writing the reverse order numbers consecutively, but they are adding it. So here also multiply also we are adding the reverse order numbers. Got it? So you have to find out the pattern. That is all. Now we'll pass on to the next type, fourth type. Codes using table and conditions. Here this type of coding, you have to make use of a table and conditions. In the question itself, the table is given and some conditions are given. You have to check for that condition. See, look at this illustration. For the questions given below, you have to code using the table and the conditions given below. So this is the table given. So they themselves, in the question itself, the table is given. You need not draw the table, neither the direct order position table nor the reverse order position. They have given a table. So you have to make use of this table. And also these two conditions, you have to check. The questions follow, the next slide. But look at the conditions. What the conditions they say, you have to fulfill the conditions. See, if first condition, if both the first and last letters are consonants, then their codes are to be interchanged. So the words follow in the next slide. You see the first letter and the last letter. See if they are consonants. What are consonants? In the alphabets, there are vowels, 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. They are called vowels. All the other alphabets are consonants. So in the given words, if the first letter and the last letters are not vowels, that means they are consonants, then their codes are to be interchanged. You have to interchange the first letter with the last letter code. That is the first condition. So you have to check for the first condition, whether the word given, the first letter and the last letter are consonants. If it is consonant, stop there and interchange. And check for the second condition. If both the first and the last letters are vowels, the first letter and the last letter, if they are vowels, A, E, I, O, U, then both should be coded as the code for the first letter. You have to give the code for the first letter, for the last letter also, if both are vowels. So these are the two conditions. So you have to make use of this table and these conditions. We will see the words. See, these are the 4 words given for which you have to make use of the table as well as the conditions. See, the first word is nation. So write here N-A-T-I-O-N and copy the codes from the table, not your table. What is given there, previous slide, copy the numbers. So N3 is given, A, 4 is given, T, 9, I is coded as 5 and O is coded as 6 and N is coded as 3. Again, I repeat, not from your table, not the direct order position nor the reverse order position, what they had given in the table. So you are copying that code for each letter by letter. Now, so that is 3, 4, 9, 5, 6, 3. The table is made use of. Now look at the conditions. What is the condition? Say if both first letter and the last letter are consonants, N and N. First letter is N and the last letter is N. Yes, they are consonant. They are not vowels. So they are consonants. So first conditions apply. So what do you have to do? You have to interchange. So the value of n should go to this and this. But here both the first letter and the last letter are n. So even if the coding is 3. Even if you interchange, that will remain the same. So you are getting the answer as 349563. Okay. And now for the word ternate, T-E-R-N-A-T-E. Write the letters T-E-R-N-A-T-E. Copy the code numbers from the table given in the question. And this is the number you got. And see the conditions. First condition, what? Both the letters are consonants. No, not both of them are consonant. Only T is consonant and not E. E is a vowel. So the first condition does not apply. And what is the second condition? First and the last letters, both are vowels. No, not both are vowels. Only is one is vowel and the first letter is a consonant. So neither the first condition nor the second conditions apply. So you simply copy the same code 3103491. So nothing, no conditions apply here. And look at the third word ante. Write the letters and copy the code from the table given in the question. And see whether first condition, what is the first condition? They are, both the letters are consonants. No, first condition does not apply. A is vowel. And E is also vowel, A, E, I, O, U. So the second condition does apply to this. If both the first letter and the last letters are vowels, then you have to give the code for the first letter to the last letter also. So 4391 becomes 4394 because you have to give the code for the first letter to the last letter E also because of the second condition. You got it? And the fourth word is ration, R-A-T-I-O-N. Write the letters R-A-T-I-O-N. Copy the code numbers from the table given in the question. So this is the code numbers given in the table 049563. And see whether the first condition both are consonant. Yes, R and N are both are consonant. Then they are going to be interchanged. So 3 should come to R position and 0 should come to N position. This is interchanging. So will other letters remain the same? So 3 will come first and then followed by the same number order 4, 9, 5, 6 and 0 will come at the end. So this is the answer. So for this type of question you have to follow the table given and also the conditions. See, read the conditions one by one. If that conditions apply, you do that. And if it does not apply, go to the second condition. If it does apply, do what is given there. If it also does not apply, then you can do whatever answer you are getting. So these are the 4 types. Okay friends, we have come to the end of the video. So in this video, we have seen 4 types of coding and decoding problem using numbers instead of alphabets. And what are the 4 types? The first one is the direct method where you need not to draw any table of the alphabets, neither the direct order positioning nor the reverse order positioning. Just see the sample words and copy the same code. That is the direct method. And the second type is the direct order positioning using the direct order position numbers. And the third one is reverse order position numbers. In both the direct order numbers and the reverse order numbers, you may straight away copy the numbers one after another continuously, or sometimes you may have to add it. You may have to find out this sum. You have to check for the pattern. And the last one is the type with the table given and with conditions, some conditions. They may give any conditions and you have to read the condition and see whether that condition is applicable to the words asked. And if it is applicable, do as the instruction says. And that's all to it. And look forward to my future videos on logical reasoning. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Vaira Citadel and click the bell icon for notification. Thank you. Bye bye.